Yo, YouTube doobie. What's going on? It's me, Mikey. And I've been waiting for a chance to record this and finally have a chance to record it because it comes and goes, man. It's just one of them things. Now, this is with the Xbox One, the controller. I thought I had a bad controller, so I went and got rid of it because it was doing this thing where it would just blink like this. And then on here it would say, turn on your controller. Or put the battery back in or something. Well, now it's just blinking and shutting off. Usually it'll blink for a little bit and then come back on. But just keep watching and it'll just shut off. Dum 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 dum. There we go. And console's still on, but before it would just stay on, and then I could play my game. I could play for like, about 5 minutes or so, and then blinky, blinky, blinky. And I tried to YouTube this or Google it, and I could not find an answer. So I need some help, man. Somebody let me know. About the only solution that I have is to unplug the Xbox from the back and wait like 10 seconds or so, 10 to 20 seconds, and it seems to reset the whole console. But every once in a while this comes back, and it's just super annoying. So if you know, comment down below. Hit me up on Twitter. Same name, Manny Mikey. Twitter is probably the best way because it just pops up on my phone. So, or just comment down below. It don't matter. But I need an answer, man. And if you guys can help me out, that would be awesome. You alright over there? What you working on? You're making an awful lot of racket. You're putting stickers on the TV? Okay. But yeah, I want to play Fallout. What do you think, Sage? How them stickers looking? Pretty. Okay. Just putting stickers on the TV. Alright, so yeah, just let me know, because that's driving me cuckoo. And I want to play some Fallout, man. Alright. Till next time, rock on. Bye.